Here displacement is a vector quantity because we must move in a specific path, then only we travel in shortest path, in shortest time. That's why displacement is a vector quantity. It must indicate some direction. Definitely we must move in particular direction only, we have to reach it in a shortest path. That's why displacement is vector quantity. But unit of displacement is, so both distance and displacement having same units. Distance and displacement having same units, meter and centimeters only. Meter and centimeters only. So distance also having MK system of unit is meter and CJ system of unit is centimeter. Here same display for displacement also same units as a distance, meter and centimeter. How to write dimensional formula? If unit is same, then dimensional formula is also same. So for dimensional formula for distance and displacement both are having same. So here already we know dimensional formula for distance. What is dimensional formula for distance? Dimensional formula for distance is, so m power 0 because there is no mass term here and kg here, and L power 1 because here m power 1 is there, and t power 0. So m power 0, L power 1, t power 0. So is the dimensional formula for displacement also, because unit is same. Whenever unit is same, then dimensional formula also same. So from this data, so we concluded that distance and displacement having same units, same dimensional formula, but the main difference is distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Then next we discuss another example. I think you know how to write here dimensional formula. Next example, speed. First definition for the speed. The rate of change of distance is called speed. The rate of change of distance is called speed. That means here rate, if any definition rate is there, means it is changes with respect to time. If any definition, whenever physics, so any definition it should contain rate means that is changes with respect to time. That means distance is changes with respect to time. Distance changes with respect to time is called speed. So rate of change of distance is called speed here. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So distance by time is, this is a formula for speed, distance by time. So observe here, distance is scalar quantity, time should be scalar quantity because we doesn't indicate time as a direction. Because for example, if any person asking time, how can we tell? So now the time is 9 AM or 10 AM. We tell like this. So 9 AM north direction, 10 AM south direction, we have to tell now. So that means here in case of time we must indicate only magnitude. It does not express it as a direction. That's why time is a scalar quantity, distance is a scalar quantity, then definitely speed is also scalar quantity. This is very important. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Next, dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. How to write dimensional formula? This is very important. How to write dimensional formula? If you know the unit, then it is easy to write dimensional formula. So here distance. What is the unit of distance here? Meter. Here by is there. By. Time should be expressed in second. So meter per second is the unit for speed. Meter by second is the unit of speed. Then dimensional formula is now easy to write. If you know the unit, then it is easy to write then it is easy to write dimensional formula. So now object meter is there. I already told meter refers to length L, kg refers to mass M, second refers to time T. This is important. So that means here meter is there. Meter is there means L. Here power, what is there here? There is nothing means L power 1. That means here by is there, by. S means here T power 1. Then how can we express this? L power 1 by T power 1 means T power minus 1. If any power is in denominator, T power 1 is in denominator, that's why it is expressed in T power minus 1. Here there is no mass term, that's why M power 0 here, M power 0. Then what is the dimensional formula here? M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. So this can be represented like this also, L power 1, T power minus 1. So, but the most important thing is, after returning these letters, we must close in square brackets. So when we close in square brackets, then only we got here dimensional formula. This is about the speed here. Next topic is velocity. Next topic, velocity here. So what is the definition of this velocity? The rate of change of displacement. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. I already told, if any definition rate is there means that it changes with respect to time. What is changes with respect to time here? Displacement. Displacement is changes with respect to time, that is called velocity. That means how we can indicate here? Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity is equal to formula, how can we write? Displacement by time. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Here displacement is measured in meters. Here by is there, by. Time is measured in seconds. That means meter per second. Meter by second is a unit for velocity.